Is the elastic band on your favorite shorts or pants all stretched out? Sure, you can tie the drawstring, but it's a hassle untying and tying each time you take them off. In this video, we're going to show you how to save your worn elastic drawstring pants with one simple hack. No sewing needed. Easily revive that worn waistband using an elastic cord. Link available in the description below. First, remove the existing drawstring. Next, cut a piece of elastic cord to fit around your waistband with some extra slack. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic cord. This will help you string the cord through the pants. Start on one side and slowly shimmy and guide the safety pin and elastic cord around the whole waistband. Once the entire cord is inserted, remove the safety pin and tie off the ends to desired length. Easily adjust the tightness as needed by retying the knot. It's like a brand new elastic waistband. Cut off the extra length and take a lighter to the ends to seal and prevent fraying. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.